Have you owned your home more than 5 years? If so, you've seen your home's value and in turn your equity go up. We answer the question, should I sell my house now or wait? Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future episodes. Hi, my name is Robert Carrillo, President and Associate Broker at Carrillo Group CA-NY.
Hi, my name is Yvette Romero, Associate at Carrillo Group CA-NY. Hang out with us until the end for a downloadable bonus. In this episode, we will talk a little about the current housing market and answer the question, is now the right time to sell your home?
The longer you've been a homeowner, the more equity you have in your home, especially if you haven't gotten a new mortgage in the past 5 years. If you survived the physical pains of the pandemic, and we sincerely hope you have, then you've got to be feeling good about where your home's value stands today because of the gained equity.
Now, how do you tap into that equity?
There are two common ways to tap into equity: refinancing your existing loan or selling your home. There are other ways, but these are the most common two.
Depending on when you got your last loan, what your current credit standing was then, refinancing despite today's increased rates could be your best move. If refinancing puts you at a higher interest rate, then we answer the question, should I sell my house now or wait?
The driving force behind selling your house now is the historically low level of housing supply. Economics 101, the law of supply and demand. Experts suggest that there's an undersupply of housing of about 3 million homes. In fact, the last housing crash directly led to a slowdown of new construction, the cause and effects of which we're still feeling today. After the crash, there was a general reluctancy to buy, right? Who could trust banks and mortgage brokers at that time? There was also a feeling that tying most of your wealth in the home was just too risky and confining. Furthermore, banks' lending guidelines became more stringent. Owning a home lost some of its luster. Tiny homes became the thing. Co-living and co-working in smaller spaces became the thing. All of that led to a massive slowdown in new construction.
However, the pandemic showed up, slapped us, and made us value home ownership like never before, to the tune of unprecedented appreciation in housing values. For example, if you purchased a home in San Bernardino in 2017 for $350,000, which would have been a plus or minus 1,900 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath in a nice part of town, that home today is worth and would sell for over $600,000. With the bulk of that gain more than $125,000 in the past 2 years alone.
You know, the pandemic reminded folks that tiny living ain't so cool when you need 6 feet of distance, right? The pandemic made folks realize the value of outdoor space, the value of having some distance between you and your neighbor, the value in an extra room, whether an attic, basement, den, or even a garage, the value in a home office, the value in a home gym, right? The pandemic even caused an exodus from urban areas to the suburbs. And so you couple that newfound appreciation for home with the undersupply of homes, and you get very high year-over-year home value appreciation, to the tune of 25% in San Bernardino and higher in other areas. I've seen 43% in some places, and like the lowest appreciation has been 7%, like in the Boondocks. So.
Still a rise though.
That's right.
So we as a society now value home more. That undersupply of available houses is real, especially now with millions of millennials entering their prime home buying ages, 30 to 34, and Gen Zers are as well. They're getting in the game earlier and being more creative with their buying mechanisms. So now you got a lot of people, crazy demand for whatever supply does remain.
Now is a good time to sell. 1, low supply, right? Yvette already mentioned that. 2, competition. People want homes, they need homes, they can buy homes, right? Properly priced homes have 4 offers on them right now, right? So, and these buyers are real. They have higher credit scores, higher incomes, lenders are more stringent. So these are real folks ready to buy your home.
3, interest rates, rising interest rates, and all experts are saying they will go up and will force those on the edge to make the leap into home ownership, possibly out of fear of missing out. A 5% mortgage that increases to 6% can add several hundred of dollars to a mortgage payment. People want to avoid that. It doesn't dampen their desire for home ownership, just makes them realize now or never, and people will take the now.
That's right. 4, back to competition. When people compete for a product, in this case your home, you have options, right? You've already seen that properly priced homes average 4 offers. What does that mean for you? It means you can dictate certain terms. For example, you can request shorter closing times, or you can remove certain contingencies, right? You in the driver's seat, you dictate the terms when there's competition.
5, while real estate values will continue to appreciate, we won't see the big boost in appreciation that you experienced the past year and some change.
That's right. Real estate will always experience, or rather will always appreciate in the long term. And we should see some higher than pre-pandemic appreciation, but it won't be anywhere like the last 2 years.
Here's a good time to give you the bonus we mentioned. Selling your home is a big endeavor. If you're thinking of selling it on your own without the help of a realtor, we're giving you Rob's book, Selling Your Home During the Pandemic. Download your free copy at www.carrillogroupexp.com/digital book.
You can sell your home on your own, right? I've done it. I've tried, failed, won. I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for a host of reasons, but it is possible, especially if you have resources, financial and time. But let my book be a guide. And if you're thinking of selling with a realtor, connect with us. We can share our dynamic real estate sales system. Just connect with us. And to that, some folks may ask, what am I going to do when I sell my home, right? With all that money. I don't want to give it all up to taxes, and we completely understand that. So what we do is we educate homeowners on how to use that money, right, the sale proceeds, to purchase commercial real estate that generates cash flow that pays for the property itself and pays for your next house. If you're curious, connect with us for more information.
All right, there you have it. To answer the question, when should you sell your house? The answer is now. Thanks for your time. We hope you found value in this episode. Once again, I am Yvette Romero.
And I'm Robert Carrillo. Our contact info is in the description box below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future episodes.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. We are Carrillo Group CANY, where we do real estate with purpose. Peace.